So this video is just a quick video on what to bring to Ghana, just in case you wanted to add it to your packing list. Most people are leaving in December, and that is like 3 months from now. So stay tuned. It's going to be a very quick video. These are just some items that I brought that were very helpful, and maybe they might be helpful to you. Okay, so the first item, which is probably the most important item, would be your passport. Your passport and your yellow fever card. Now, you can get your yellow fever vaccination at particular clinics in your area or in your state. The vaccination, I believe, was around between $200 to $300 for me. You pretty much have to have this in order to get into Ghana. Without it, they might deny you. Most likely they will, unless you have a written excuse from your doctor not to take it. This here is a amazing repellent. It's 20% DEET. It's a lotion you can use. I actually used the permethrin by Sawyer. It worked amazing. It was only 4 ounces, and I paid around $10 for it at REI. It was a very great repellent because I hardly saw an insect come to me at all during my whole trip. This here is the sunblock that I used. I love copper tone. I love the smell of it. But every morning I put this on my skin, waited 15 minutes for it to dry, and then I added my DEET on, or my repellent. Yeah, just to protect myself. The Go Girl is an item that I had. I used it maybe twice on my trip. It's $10 at Walmart. You pretty much pee into this tunnel. And I would definitely practice using this several times before you leave for your trip. Because it can be very messy if you don't get it correct. Yeah, it's pretty hard to use. But that comes in handy if you don't have a toilet, because sometimes you're going to have to use an outhouse. I had to use an outhouse that didn't have a toilet. It had like a little slit in the ground. This here is an adapter. I got it for $4 at Walmart. I think the regular price was like maybe $10. You can get this off of Amazon, or you can get it at Target. I use this section here. Worked pretty well. It's very convenient. This here is for 3-prong outlet plug. So yeah, keep that in mind. You can't go without Pepto-Bismol. Yeah, very. Oh, he hears someone here. Very convenient if you have any upset tummies or anything like that. This here is Travelan. This is an anti-diarrhea pill. You could get this on Amazon for around $30 per 30 tablets. You take it before every meal. It works really well. I love it. This here is an organizer that I use. I love being organized while I'm traveling. My passport pretty much stays in here all the time. I have my boarding pass, my receipts, all that stays in here. My money, my currency. Very good to have. The last thing I have here is toilet paper. Depending on where you go, you might not have toilet paper. If you were watching my Peru episode about things that you should bring, toilet paper is one of them, because sometimes you don't have enough toilet paper or any at all. So if you can't or don't want to have a backpack full of toilet paper, then I would suggest using a package of tissue. But that's pretty much it. All of these items were very helpful for me, especially this is a necessity. I'm going to post on the description some links that might help you in regards to Sawyer and like certain malaria pills you can use. I went to my travel clinic to get the yellow fever card. These pills I got from my travel clinic, but the travel clinic did not have malaria pills. That's right. I had to actually go to a doctor's appointment to get the malaria pills. Now, it's not 100%. It's optional. Malaria pills are optional, but I wanted to be safe and I went and got some. So I'll post that down in the link below, and I hope everyone has a fun and safe trip to Ghana this year. See you next time.